Hey, this is Matt Witmer from Broudy Precision. In this video, we are taking a look at BPTC Under 2.0, another new feature, and this time it is search. So let's jump right in. All right, so search is a big change in BPTC Under 2.0, and I think you're really going to be happy with it. If you just pay attention to a couple little things, it becomes even more powerful. If you want to use it just as a normal search, you can, but if you move your fingers around on the keyboard a little bit, you can get a lot more power out of it. So we can get into search two different ways. I can just click in the search at the very top and it'll open up the search or command palette window here. Or I can hit on my keyboard Command K if you're on a Mac or Control K if you're on a PC, and I can bring up the window the same way. Now, I want to bring up a particular software package. So I'm looking for the supervisor, the Vykon one. And if I just type in supervisor, immediately we get the different Vykon supervisor products. And if I scroll down to the one that I want, I can click on it and get brought exactly to that page where it lives. But if I do the same thing here again, and I scroll down to supervisor, and now instead of hitting enter to bring me to the page or clicking on it to bring me to the page, if I hit the right arrow on my keyboard, it'll actually expand out and I can scroll down to the individual pieces of software that I want and hit enter on the keyboard to bring it up, or I can click on it and it'll actually go out and download that software for me. You can see that that is now downloading, and I didn't need to leave my keyboard at all in order to make that happen. Also worth noting, we're doing the highlighting of the latest versions. So you can see that that is being shown here in the green. That'll always be the case if there's a latest version for a particular piece of software. It'll be highlighted green, and you'll see the little latest tag next to it as well. Make it a little bit easier for you to find things. Let me do this again. And what other thing you'll notice is that it's fuzzy, the search. So it's a little bit easier if you fat finger something or you mistype something, you can still get into it pretty easily. Also, this searches products and downloads. So if I wanted 415, I can find that by just scrolling down to my downloads. Now there's a bunch of stuff that's 415, bad example, but I can get into, like, I know this particular one is the actual download for Optimizer 415, and I can pull that up here by just hitting the enter key on my keyboard, and it'll pull me right into it. So that is the new search in BPTC Under 2.0. This will be expanding a little bit more, I think, in the future, so keep an eye out for that. And yeah, thanks for watching.